So next one what you're going to see is why I have to go for this Angular 2. So here I have the picture HTML5 and mobile picture and desktop picture. So it actually tells you can use this Angular 2 in these three different technology. You can use it in web technology also, mobile technology also, desktop applications also. Same as a web application or mobile application or desktop applications. So advantage is it is gives a better performance and it supports mobile applications and it is easy to implement and easy to understand and the routing technology is it is very good in Angular 2 and you can create that's what you can create a web application, mobile application, desktop application. So let us see about TypeScript. What is a TypeScript? It is a typed superset of JavaScript that compiles to plain JavaScript. So actually from JavaScript only TypeScript has been evolved. So it is a superset of JavaScript. JavaScript does not support data types, whereas TypeScript supports data types. For example, in JavaScript you will be giving var amount, whereas in TypeScript you will be giving that amount colon int number. Actually, it is number or anything varchar related or string related means you can give it as a string. TypeScript has a high intelligence support. You can get intelligence of properties, methods, and class in the IDE itself. So, what is the future of TypeScript? It behaves much like a server-side programming, but it is not a server-side programming. Since you are creating a class, inheritance, all the OOPS concept, you can use it in the TypeScript. It is not going to be a server-side programming. It simply uses all the object-oriented technology. Here, static typing and type safety. For example, you can assign data type like integer, string for variables you assigned. So in JavaScript, static typing is var x equal to 10, whereas the TypeScript, how will you assign x colon number equal to 10? So in type safety means JavaScript var x equal to 10, and if you can give var x equal to 10 also, and var x equal to double quotes ABC also, no error will be displayed. Whereas in TypeScript, if you are declaring number x colon number equal to 10 and x colon number equal to ABC double quotes, then it will display the error. This is a type safety. What is a transpilation? What is a transpiler? Here code gets converted from one language to another. Converts transcript class to JavaScript class. It can't be run directly on browser. You cannot run this TypeScript directly on the browser. The TypeScript file, that is sample file1.ts, must be compiled by compiler and converted JavaScript file, and then it will be rendered in the browser. Actually, it will be compiled. TypeScript file is compiled first, and it is converted into JavaScript file, and then only it will be rendered in the browser. How will you convert this TypeScript file to JavaScript file? By using the transpiler, a transcript compiler. So here I have given the example sample file1.ts goes to TSC compiler, and TSC compiler, it will compile the transcript code to JavaScript code. This process is called transpilation.